Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to recover deleted photos on iPhone from the recently deleted folder. In order to do that, first of all, unlock your iPhone and go ahead and open up the Photos app. After opening up the Photos app, scroll all the way down until you find the Utilities section. Inside Utilities, tap on Recently Deleted. Now use your Face ID to view the album by tapping on View Album. This will then open up this section where you will see photos and media that has been deleted within the last 30 days. Tap on the Select button in the top right corner and then select the photo you want to recover. After choosing the photo, tap the three dots at the bottom right and then in the pop-up click on Recover. Confirm by tapping on the Recover Photos button once again, and that way you will be able to restore your photos back on the main Photos app. That is how you can easily recover deleted photos from your recent deleted section using iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.